evening. It's what, about 3:30? Got Shayna down here, went and picked her up. Her mom brought her down here to Zanesville. Picked her up. We're down here in the blind. We got here pretty early because on the way back home, we've seen a couple does that were already out feeding. So we decided to hit the blind here early. This is the same spot where I made that bad shot on the doe. Hopefully she has a little better luck. Got a lot of good bucks coming in to this camera. So temperatures dropped. It was 43? 43 degrees. You still have a light rain. But now we're excited. We're ready to get at it. Ready? Shannon's been waiting on this for a while. Her sports has kept her out of the woods for quite a while, so this is the first time she's been hunting this year. So we are amped and ready to go. Hopefully it's a good evening, but we have tonight, we've got all Sunday as well as Monday, so we're going to put the time in and hopefully we can get her something. Let's do it. Oh, did he drop?
I think he did.
Oh, I see him. Right there. Right there, I think. Are you kidding me? Oh, get fucked. Hey. I think you went down. Sweet. Oh my God. I seen the stab happen. That was exciting. Did you see your shot? Did you see it? I couldn't see it on the thing, but he buckled and dropped.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Talk about freaking exciting. I didn't get a lot of footage of that buck. You right? That is a nice deer. That is a nice deer. Listen, that guy come up the hill. This button buck was out here for about 45 minutes. All of a sudden he took off. I looked out this window and this nice, I don't even know, almost
that was yours. That was the one you
the white 8-pointer come up the hill, and it couldn't have worked out more perfect. Only thing is I had a tree right here which I leaned out and got some footage.
Yeah,
I got the footage of the shot, but I couldn't get nothing. I couldn't get around that tree, so I had to lean the camera.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But no, I think you put a good shot on him. What do you think?
I did too. I didn't flinch at all.
I mean, I seen him hit the ground, buckle up, and I seen his tail flack, and I think he's dead right down there, so.
I did too, because when he went down, he ducked, and then he started running off again.
Nice job.
As soon as I shot him, I started crying.
Oh, gosh. That was the buck I wanted to shoot, but I'm tickled to death that she got him. She hit him. We still gotta find him. But I really feel like it's a good shot.
I think he's like right in that.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I knew it as soon as I shot. I was like, he's gonna get that. Oh.
All right, we're gonna go back and check the shot here. Check the camera out, see if we can see.
It didn't go through. It's stuck in him.
Okay, then we're gonna give him a little bit of time, and we'll go see what we got. Yeah. All right, guys, we're coming down here. Take a look where she shot him at. We watched the video. She made a perfect shot, tucked it right behind that shoulder. I'm not expecting him to be far down here. It was a perfect shot. Take a look here and see if we can find some blood. Find the point of impact. Alright, there we got some blood. Come on, you're alright. Give me some. Right there he is. Laying dead. He did not go far at all. What? 40 yards? Look at that shot, kid. He's done. Go check him out. Hey. Nice 8-pointer. That is a beautiful deer, kid. That is nice. Where was he at between them two trees when you seen him first?
His heart was right in a tree, like behind a tree.
You couldn't take a shot? Couldn't get a shot? He stinks to get ruddy?
Really bad, like super bad.
Really bad?
Really bad.
All right, here he is. We got her down here this afternoon. Picked you up, what, 12:30? 1 o'clock, 1:30, right around there. Come down here, got in the tree stand an hour and a half later, and this is what happens. Come right up the hill. Button buck got spooked off. He was coming up. It worked out perfect, actually, other than me not having great footage, but I didn't want to take the chance. I was going to have her hold off on him a little bit longer so he could come on up further so I can get better footage, but he was perfect broadside for you, wasn't it?
Yeah.
She tucked the shot right behind the shoulder, and he literally, I can see the blind right now, just right up the hill.
Yeah.
He went 40, 50 yards, and that was it.
He's really
Biggest buck yet, right?
yeah.
Gonna have some trouble beating this. It's a good one. Good deer. Hey, I appreciate you guys coming along. If you enjoy the video, hit the like button. If you enjoy the channel, please subscribe. We're gonna get some good pictures here. Go ahead and gut him and get him down the camper. Thanks again.